Hello friends, how are you guys? Today we are going to discuss about Tata Motors. Tata Motors is one such stock which can make your dreams come true. This stock is going big. It's going into electrical vehicle chargings. So converting their infrastructure into EV charging, so which will be the future of India because the entire world is converting itself to go green to save the planet Earth. And whereas when compared to the other investors, Tata Motors has already started itself getting involved into EV charging stations at Mumbai. They have launched a few stations at Mumbai and creating their infrastructure. Accordingly, they're trying to expand all over India, and they are currently targeting of being the India's largest EV charging infrastructure. And you can definitely make ransom money in this particular stock. So before going ahead, I would want to discuss with you the financials, the SWOT analysis of this particular stock, wherein you can make your decisions in before investing. The strengths, coming to the part of the strengths of this particular company, it has a very good TTM EPS growth, and it's close to 52-week high. Also, it has a good quarterly growth in recent results, strong momentum as well seen in the short and the medium and the long term. Also, growing revenues, net profit, increasing profit margin, and improving cash flows, which is a good positive sign since 2 years, and hammer bullish reversal. So that's a quite of good strengths that the company is already listed. So let's look at target, what the weaknesses are. Companies with growing costs year on year for long-term projects. Just see here, they are targeting the long-term projects, so which will be the future of India. So they are saying inefficient use of shareholder funds, ROE declining in the last 2 years. Red flag is given because they are making the high interest payments compared to the earnings. Decline in the net profits. Mutual funds have decreased their shareholding, and even let's see what the opportunities got to say about here. Brokers upgraded the recommendation or target price in the past 3 months. So that's a positive sign here. And highest recovery, like I already said, and RSI is indicating the price strength. So coming to the threads, it just has one thread, which is increasing trend in non-core income. So basically, when we look at the weaknesses, it's they are trying to target for the future, and they're trying to invest in the infrastructure. That is the reason why the company is making high interest payments, and their profit margins have been dipped because of this. And the company is really thinking of the long-term projects. So and this stock is currently priced at 140, which is the right price for you to hop in. And you can definitely see a better future. So let's see some financials, what the stock has got to do. And depending on that, we can make a call. So the total revenue of this particular company over the years, when we look at in 2021, they are at 32,468 crores. That's massive. And when you look at there is a yearly incremental in the revenues of this particular stock, Tata Motors. In 2020, there was a bit decline, but again, there is in 2021, there was a drastic change that was seen in this particular stock. And coming to the part of net profit, so 2021, they have made just 611 crores. But I would definitely say when we look at the future, so having being considered the things what they are doing, trying to do the future prospect, you can definitely think of this stock in your portfolio. Let's see the peers, what they got here. So we have Adani Transmission, Power Grid Corp, NTPC, JSW Energy. So looking at the market cap of all these stocks, Tata Power is the lowest here. And even the share price, when we look at here, so NTPC is price listed, even though they have the higher market cap, so it's been listed at lesser than Tata Power. And let's see the net profit, what they're making, 611, like I already said in the last year. And Adani Power and Power Grid is making really good revenue, but they already have a huge market cap. And when we look at JSW Energy, even though they have 60,000 as market cap and being priced at 366 traded value, The net profit of the company is just 805 crores. When compared to the Tata Motors, Tata Motor is doing better. And even the debt to equity ratio of Tata Motors, it's on an average when we look at the competitors. JSW, of course, if they have the less debt to equity, but it can be considered, because having said that, Tata is building for the future and they are targeting to be the future EV segment and be the leaders. So coming to the part of, I also just wanted to show you about the recommendations, what we have by the users at Moneycontrol. So 82% of them say to buy this stock. And this stock is not for a short term, I would say, but definitely for a longer term, because they are going big, really big, I would say. Just look here. Even the news, what a news article, what it says, World EV Day, Lodha Tata Power to provide charging solutions. So you have everything that's been seen here. And this stock, I'm sorry for that. Well, coming to the price performance, in an year's time, it has given 158% returns. So that's a very good performance of this stock. And having said, like, you just invest the amount that you would like to, looking at the portfolio that you already have. So at least I would suggest 5% of your portfolio would do good for this particular stock, and keep it for a longer time. So the long time investment in Tata Powers can fetch you good ransom money, and you can see massive progress, because EV is the future. So yeah, so I'm done with this particular stock today. So see you guys again in the next stock for the future. And I'll just try and see what best stocks that I have available, and the financial analysis and the detailed SWOT as well. I will try to cover it and make sure that you guys get a better information. Thank you. And it was really nice talking to you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon.